Hi friends, if I tell you best Indian food for weight loss, it's not salad, it's not smoothies, it's chilla or savory Indian pancake. In this video, I'm sharing 3 high protein chilla recipes with protein rich chutneys that will not only help you to lose weight, but will make your weight loss journey enjoyable and sustainable. These chillas are easy. In one recipe, you will get high protein, vegetables and good carb. They are extremely versatile. You can eat them for breakfast, lunch or dinner. They are meal prep friendly. These give you steady energy. No sugar crash, no overeating. And most importantly, they are highly customizable for your body, taste and goals. So let's jump straight into our first high protein chilla. This first chilla is my go-to when the goal is maximum plant-based protein. I start by soaking the soya chunks and pressure cooking them for 2 to 3 minutes until soft. This improves digestibility and makes them easier to blend. Now it's time to add the vegetables. I especially love bottle gourd here because it's low in calories, high in water and fiber. I'm also going to add grated carrots and chopped onions and bell peppers. Adding more colors automatically increases fiber and micronutrients. Next, I am going to add my cooked soya chunks in the blender, squeezing out as much water as possible. Add ginger and green chilies for digestion. Salt to taste and a pinch of turmeric powder for anti-inflammatory support. Add water and blend it into a thick, smooth paste. Look at our batter. It's quite thick to make a chilla now. So I rinse the blender with a little water so nothing is wasted. Then add about a quarter cup of besan or chickpeas flour. This helps with binding and adds a bit of more protein. Now fold in all the vegetables. The batter should be thick but spreadable. Gently spread the batter on a hot pan and let it cook without rushing. If you want extra nutrient boost, sprinkle some black sesame seeds on the top, along with some cilantro or coriander leaves. Sesame seeds add healthy fats, calcium and antioxidants, while coriander leaves adds freshness and supports digestion. When the edges turn golden, carefully flip. This is a soft chilla, so go slow. And just like that, your high protein soya chunk chilla is ready. I paired this with a high protein green chutney. Mint, coriander, roasted peanuts, ginger, green chili, hing, a little tamarind and water. The peanuts add healthy fats and protein, making the meal more satisfying. This soya chunk veggie chilla gives you roughly around 25 to 30 grams of plant protein with 250 calories. That's why it works so well for lunch or post-workout meals. High protein, high fiber, light but still filling. Honestly, it doesn't taste like soy at all. It's delicious and very satisfying. If you don't like the taste of soya chunks, you can try this recipe. This will change your mind. Now this might surprise you. If you are a vegetarian, black chana and paneer together is one of the most filling combination for weight loss. Black chana gives you fiber and slow digestive carbohydrates, while paneer gives you high quality protein. When you combine these two, blood sugar stays stable, you stay full for hours without craving or constant snacking. Don't forget to soak, cook and blend it properly to make it easily digestible and sustainable for weight loss. To make the batter, I am adding 1 cup of cooked black chana and about half a cup of paneer. To this, add 1/4 cup of besan, 1 garlic clove, half an inch of ginger, green chilies according to your spice tolerance, salt and little water. Blend this into a thick, coarse batter. You don't want it too smooth. Now add colorful vegetables of your choice. Carrots, capsicum, onions, the more the better. Mix everything well and you can add fresh coriander if you like. Spread the batter gently on a hot pan. Quick reminder, this chilla takes a little longer to cook, so keep the heat on medium. Cook the first side for 4 to 5 minutes, Then flip gently. Look how beautifully golden this is. Gently press and cook the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes so it cooks through. These chillas are hearty, comforting and very satisfying. While the chilla cooks, I quickly prep a high protein raita. I take 1 cup of Greek yogurt and 1 teaspoon of green chutney, some grated carrots and chopped onions. 1 cup of Greek yogurt gives around 18 to 20 grams of protein, making this meal even more filling. Look how inviting this looks. Golden, hearty and perfect if you want long-lasting fullness. These chillas gives you roughly 24 to 28 grams plant-based protein and 270 calories. And when you pair it with this raita, it reaches up to 40 grams of protein. If you struggle with evening hunger or constant craving, this is the chilla I would recommend you to try first. I can actually taste the black chana and paneer in it with the vegetables. It tastes heavenly when you pair this with this special green raita. 10 on 10. Try. Finally, our green chilla with sprouted green lentils, oats and seasonal fresh greens. This one is highly nutritious because we are going to use sprouts here. Sprouting improves mineral absorption and makes the lentils easier to digest. Oats provide slow-releasing carbohydrates for steady energy. Greens add iron, folate, antioxidants and fiber, which support gut health and metabolic balance. After adding the 3 main ingredients, I am adding 1 garlic clove, a few green chilies, a pinch of salt, cumin seeds and some water. Blend it all until smooth. See, this is our dessert consistency, just like dosa or pancake batter. Pour the batter onto the hot tawa and gently spread it in a circular motion. Top it with chopped onions and colorful bell peppers. Once the edges turn slightly golden, flip it carefully and cook the other side on medium heat. Our chilla is ready. I am finishing it off with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. I will serve it with my high protein tomato chutney. I have shared the detailed recipe in my last breakfast video. Check the description for the link. If you are someone who feels bloated after heavy meal but wants something nourishing and soothing for your daily weight loss meal, this is a great option. You can even prep any of the batter the night before and keep it in the refrigerator. In the morning, it's ready to make fresh chillas, quick, healthy and high in protein. Here is how you can think about these 3 chillas. If your goal is maximum protein, then go for Soya chunk chilla. If your goal is long-lasting fullness and appetite control, go for this Black Chana and Paneer Chilla. And if you want more nutrition and digestion support, something that you can eat regularly, then go for this green sprouted lentils chilla. If you don't have any specific goal, just want to eat clean and healthy, you can try all these 3 chillas. Now tell me, which one would you try first? I would genuinely love to know. If you want more realistic healthy Indian meals, make sure you are subscribed. Share this video with someone who is struggling with weight loss salad and smoothies, because sustainable weight loss starts with the food you enjoy, not with the food you suffer through. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy, happy and don't forget to subscribe.